Alright, welcome everybody to this special guest commentary match here. This is from WECW back in December. Introducing first, from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, weighing in at 240 pounds, Ryan Rain. And introducing his opponent for tonight, coming to us from Charlotte, North Carolina, weighing in at 180 pounds, coming to the ring with Caitlin Chaotic David Coleman. Coleman walking to the ring with his manager at the time, Caitlin Chaotic. As we had to redo commentary for this match due to the original commentary of this video completely sucking. Unprofessional comments were made the entire match. So, obviously, we cut that out. As both men are in the ring now, getting ready to get this match started here at WECW. As this match took place in Grovetown, Georgia, at Patriots Park. As getting ready, and there's the opening bell as we're underway here. As they go in for the tie-up here, collar elbow tie-up here. As Rain now pushes Coleman back into the corner. He has 5 seconds and he breaks cleanly, giving Coleman his space. Coleman messing with some fans out there. Now as they go back into another collar elbow tie-up. Rain pushing him back into the corner, but Coleman reverses. Oh, shot to the side of the head now, and Coleman got him back into the corner now, and is now beating Rain. European uppercut there on Rain. Coleman goes for a whip. Rain reverses in. Oh, and the ring is broke. Splashed by Rain as the second rope comes completely off of the ring post. Rain picks Coleman up here, and a spinning sidewalk slam on Coleman as Crew's now trying to fix the ring. Rain going for a pinfall now. 1, 2, 2 count only. Rain now. Stiff right hand right to the head of David Coleman. Now backs him into another corner. An elbow. Another back elbow right to the face. Now as he whips Coleman off. Oh, Coleman reverses this whip, but the rope doesn't break this time. Coleman now. Now as he hits that patented money shot. That knee to the chin there of Rain. Coleman dragging Rain out to the center of the ring. Delivers a forearm, another forearm. Oh, Rain fires back with forearms of his own. Like Rain has him, he's got him picked up. What could this be? Oh, the Carnage effect by Ryan Rain. And now he locks in the Anaconda Vice. Referee going for a count. As this is a submission move Ryan Rain uses as he has it locked in on David Coleman right in the center of the ring, right on the WECW logo. As Caitlin's now in the ring, and wait a minute, as she just hit Rain to break up the submission, and Ryan Rain is going to win this match via disqualification. As Ryan Rain wins. Well, a pretty quick match. The ring broke, and it's going to end under disqualification, as Rain had the match won, probably via submission, if he would have been able to hold on a little longer. As wait a minute, what's Coleman offering the handshake as Coleman raises Rain's hand. There, that's some good sportsman. Wait a minute, he's hit an RKO on Rain. What is he doing? He shook the man's hand and then turned on him and hit the RKO. Now he's going for that sharpshooter submission on Rain as he gets him turned over. The match. Wait, who is this? Who is this guy? He just came in and clotheslined Coleman back of the head. I've never seen him before. Kick to the midsection. Oh, he has a DDT on David Coleman now. Oh, wow. This guy escapes the ring.